Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrita over here, and in today's video we're gonna see how to create a free website with free domain and hosting. So now, before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. Now let's get into the video. So in this video we are going to build a website that can be accessed by anyone. We are going to create our website in two parts. So part 1 will be launching your website. So in order to launch your website, after launching this, your website will be live on internet. So firstly, in this first part, our first step will be creating an account on Pro Free Host. So to create an account on Pro Free Host, go to the new tab and go to the website called as profreehost.com. So after going to this is the website where we can create our website for free, which is going to help us create our website for free. So after going to this website, click on register now and register with your email address and give some password that you remember. So once you give your email and password, your account is created, and now you need to activate your account by clicking on the activation link that is sent to your email. So let's do it quickly. So once you activate your confirmation email, you get this page. This is your dashboard kind of. So you can just click on this create new account, click on this, and then here we can launch our new website. So you can choose your domain name. So I'll choose a domain called as Shopping Max. So it will show the availability of your domain name. So it is available. So you get this unaux.com with this Shopping Max. So this is a free domain, and if you want to pay and if you want to buy this domain, any domain with .com without this extension, you can choose this custom domain and you can buy this. So firstly we need this free domain. So we'll click on this, we'll check this box with free domain, and then we'll continue. So then this is in process. So your site is getting processed. So once this loading process is done, you can get this availability of your site. You can manage your site, you can make some changes, you can go to WordPress and do all the editing stuff and all. So now you can see this is done. So click on manage, and now you can go to this control panel, click on the control panel. So now our third step will be installing WordPress to your website. So in order to install WordPress, so after going to this control panel, so you click on I approve, and then panel will now load. So when you get this panel, go to this, scroll down and go to this app installer, click on it, and then you get this WordPress option here. So click on install, and you have some details to be filled here. You can give your site name like some shopping, we have given some Shopping Max, and you can give your description, any description of your kind. Shop for shopaholics, place for shopaholics. So I just given some random one. So we can give you, this is the major part, so we can give your admin username. So I give my name, and here it is some password is here, and then yes. So we'll scroll down and click on install. So now this WordPress is being installed onto your for your website. Once the installation is done, you will get this page. So then this is your live website. So this is the URL for your live website, and this is the URL for your administration works and all. Like if you want to edit your site, and if you want to make changes to your site and everything you can do in this WordPress dashboard. So this is your site. So it is a very basic site, but now we will turn this into a very professional one. And then our next step will be, now we'll land into our part 2 of the video, that is start building your website. So this is our default site that we got from this WordPress after installing this. So now we want to turn this into a professional one which looks more attractive to the visitors. So for this, first step will be, you have to log into your WordPress, that is this dashboard, so which we have already done. And our second step will be, we need to choose a design. So in order to choose a design, instead of starting from the scratch, we can choose a ready-made design. So how can you do this? So go to the appearances and click on themes and click on add new theme. Here search for Astra. So this is the theme which lets you edit with the Elementor, which is the most convenient way. So let's install this theme and activate this on our WordPress website. So once this theme is installed, click on activate and you get this pop-up here. So click on get started and it would take a couple of seconds to activate and get started to this Astra. And now you can see this option asking to select the page builder. So click on Elementor and then you can see all the templates, all the themes over here for you. So you can select one of the theme that suits your business or your topic of your content of your page. So for this, I feel we'll go with this. And you do have your premium themes also, you can buy them. If you really feel like they are suitable for your website, you can buy them, and I'll now go with the free ones. So this is the online health coach website. It's a theme. So if you want to preview this, you can just click on this and you can see the pages how they look like, and if you like it, you can click on import complete site. So I'll click on this. So now our site will be imported. So I'm a WordPress beginner, so and it is for myself and my company. So you can give your name and your work email, so you can start importing. And if you're not interested in giving them, you can just skip this step and the importing gets started. So now our theme got imported to our site. So now we can visit our site, or else you can go to this site URL and you can just refresh this to see your changes. So here you go. So your site now looks more professional. And now in our last step, we'll see how can you edit this content all in your site. So firstly, click on edit with Elementor, which is in the top column, so top row. And then once it gets loaded, so now you can see this, you will land onto this page, and now you can edit your content. Like, if you want to edit this part, you can just edit this from here, or you can even edit from here. Just show you. You can edit it like here, just directly by typing here, or else you can edit your title here. I say welcome to my website, or else you can just click over here and also you can type it here like this. And then you can change this buttons also, like you can change the text on this button, where this button links to. Like you can give your link here, and then size of this button you can change this, and then you can increase or decrease this icon spacing, and many more options are available here. And then even you can change this image. So this is the image. So you can just click on choose image and choose the image from your PC, or you can choose image from the media library. You can add images to this media library too, and then you can also choose images from Pixabay, and you can insert this media into your website. And then you can change this logos which are here, like it is some partnership with other companies and all. You can change this, and even you can change this text and this count ending number and your grades and all. You can even delete any block from this website. Like if I don't feel like I don't need this block, if I feel like I don't need this block, so I'll just click on this, it is removed. And if you want to add any block, you can just click on this option and then go to this blocks, and then you can search for some block. Like you can can search for contact form. So let me search for this contact block. So you can just choose one among them, and you can insert it. Like if you can preview it, and then you can click on this insert button by getting started. So you can just click on get started, give your mail and your password for this, and you can just use this all templates. So click on that insert to get this new block over here. And also you can make many changes, like you can change this, like you got here in the form of points, so you can make this add more points also, like this. And also you can change this text, you can change this icon which shows this points arrows you can give. And then what if you want to change this header part in this website? To do this, go back to so after making all the changes, you need to click on update to update your changes, to publish your changes. And then after doing this, let's go back. So click on view site. So once you click on this view site, in order to edit your header portion of your website, go to this customize button, click on it, so that this will enable you to edit your header portion part of your website. So once you click on it, you will land onto this kind of page, and then here you can edit all your header section. So now here you can change your logo by clicking on this edit option. Click on this. So here you can remove this logo and give your logo, like clicking on this change logo, or you can remove this logo. And then you can change this options like home, all resources, about and contact you got here. So you can even edit them, like you can just click on this edit option. You can change this text, you can give this link where this button links to, and you can change this order too. Like you can just drag them, you can change this order, you can change this buttons, text and all. In this way you can customize your website. You can give your own text, give your own images, give your own links, and you can customize your website. So this is all how you can make your complete website entirely free. So now this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.